Hi, I'm Jamie. I'm the Hubbard Center for Lifelong Learning Coordinator, and we're going to make dahlia flower. And I have these 4x4 squares that should be in your kit, and your glue gun. And I'm going to show you how to curl them, and then you're going to put a little dot of your glue on there, and then you're going to glue it. They don't have to be perfect. I did a couple to start out with, and look, they're not perfectly pointed. Those aren't perfect. Because you're gonna squish this. What you want is this, really. That's what the important part is, this cone shape. So I'm gonna do about half of these, because I really want to see how many we actually need in this kit. A few of the crafts I saw needed 60, and then some needed less, and so we're just gonna see. I'm gonna go ahead and I'll come back after I have about half of these done, and then we'll start putting them on our little circle. Thank you. Okay, so now we've created a pile of petals. This should be enough to get us started. I'll show you what we need to do. So we need to use our thumb and kind of pinch this end, and we're gonna take our glue. We're gonna glue this end right here, and then we're gonna put it on the tip of your circle. You're gonna press down. All right, and you're gonna do this, and you don't want them right next to each other. You wanna leave just a little bit of gap, okay? So we're gonna do this for the next one. And you're gonna have lots of glue gun string, and you can clean that up later. So we're going around, and we're just going to keep going until we run out. All right, I'm going to finish this circle, and then I'll come back and tell you how to fill it in, okay? All right, so once you get this layer done, you're going to fill in the gaps, and you're going to go down a little bit. So you're going to fill in these gaps like I did here. So you're going to take your glue gun again, and you're going to go in. Make sure your petal shows. And you're going to fill in that gap. And then you're going to do that all the way around. And then you're just going to keep on doing that. So your next layer, you're going to come down a little further, and you're going to fill in this gap. And so see, we're already running low, so we'll have to finish up this stack too. All right, so I'll finish this row, and I'll probably end up finishing it up, and I'll show you what the end product is, okay? All right, so this is your finished flower. And you may have some left over, which is okay. It's better than to have some left over than to be short. When I put these middle ones in, I used my pencil to stick them in because it's easier. You don't get all the way down there. And I also used my pencil to maybe push some down so they weren't sticking up so far. But I also gave you some ribbon so you can hang it, so you can glue that on the back too. You can hang it on your wall, and everyone gets different colors, so everyone's kit is different and unique. So thank you.